I want to do possibly the quickest video I've ever made before. Now, I'm going to show you something which, I don't know, everyone might know this. It's probably one of the first things my father showed me ever. And I've known it for so long, I just kind of assumed that everyone else knows it too. But maybe they don't. So occasionally you see engine studs and stuff with bite marks. People have been trying to extract them. But there's a far easier way of extracting studs and stuff like that. Now, this works with 2 nuts just as easily. Literally, it's the first 2 things I picked up that screwed on. So 2 nuts is fine. How you do? Tighten one nut against the other, as tight as you can make it. And unless it is seriously stuck in place, it's as quick and easy as that to remove engine studs or studs of any kind, really. Is that loose? I think that's on. Will work. Yeah, look at that. I hope that helps. Cheers, guys.